Festival, it is celebrated every third week of January. Performers dress in bright colored and intricate costumes dance to the rhythm of the drums, trumpets, and native gongs, and parades the sacred relic. Santo Niño, the Sinulog Festival attracts millions of tourists Philippines. It means kilala bilang ina ng lahat ng pista at pinakamalaking pagdiriwang sa bansa. Next, Ati-Atihan Festival. It is celebrated every third week of January. This is known as the mother of all Philippine festivals since it's around 800 years old. Expect strangers offering you cans of beer and inviting you to sip from the rum bottle. Tinuturing na pinakamatandang pista sa Pilipinas, kilala sa pagpipintura ng muka at katawan at masayang pagdiriwang. Next, Dinagyang Festival, celebrated every fourth Sunday of January. Experience a merry street party with drinks and food everywhere. There are also art exhibits, music contest, and pageant. The main attraction here really is the highly competitive dance festival. Means tampok ang masiglang sayawan, pagkain, inumin at mga paligsahan. For Pahiyas Festival, celebrated every May 15, people of Luban transform their house in the harvest aesthetic. The festival also features cultural shows, exciting contests, parade, and exhibits that represent the people, their livelihood, and culture. As you walk in the procession of San Isidro Labrador, you'll be amazed by how creative each house is decorated. Main kilala sa makukulay na palamuti ng mga bahay gamit ang keeping at mga ani. 5. Gigantes Festival, celebrated every November 22 to 23. This is yet another display of Filipino creativity. The Gigantes became an emblem of the townspeople, unyielding spirit, and larger-than-life artistry. The most awaited part here is when cold water is slashed everywhere during the parade. Main kilala sa malaking figurang gawa sa papel at masayang pagbuhos ng tubig sa mga kalahok. Next, Feast of the Black Nazarene, celebrated every month of January. To witness how the Filipinos' faith is, there go to such lengths and as being pushed hard and hit by the huge crowd. Main kilala sa matinding debosyon ng mga mananampalataya at malaking prosesyon. Next, Flores de Mayo in many cities usually celebrated every month of May depending of the church availability, now as the Queen of Philippine Festivals. You'll see children and ladies dressed in white carrying flowers and basket of petals and offer the flowers to the Blessed Virgin Mary. You'll even also be on in seeing creative costumes and floral art. Main tampok ang pag-aalay ng mga bulaklak at prosesyon ng mga kabataang nakaputi. 8. Pintados Kasadyahan Festival, celebrated around June 29. Locals anticipate two prominent festivals, namely the Pintado Festival and the Kasadyahan Festival. Today they are merged on one big celebration of praise and adore Senior Santo Niño. Kilala sa mga sayaw na may pintang katulad ng mga sinaunang katutubo. Last, Lechon Festival. Indulge yourself in best tasting lechon served across neighborhoods in Batangas. Tampok ang pagpapakita at pagtikim ng iba't ibang masarap na lechon baboy.